You're very well. You look stunning today. You look amazing. Has it been really difficult? I'd request you to come ahead as well. So yes, we have Mr. Pratul Kumar. How are you, ma'am?
How is it? What did you ask me?
How are you feeling?
Oh, I'm feeling very special.
Special? How are you, sir? How are you doing? It's feel amazing to be here.
Absolutely amazing to be here, especially in front of all you guys. Being at the camera and myself.
Sir, how are you doing? आप तो हमारे अपने हैं. How are you feeling to be here on the day 2 of MIFF? कल का काफी अच्छा दिन रहा और आज second day में how are you feeling today?
So I'm very happy that the participants have come out in great numbers and have supported the festival. That shows their love for this format of the cinema. We are very happy that documentaries are getting popular, and so you can see the kind of rush is there in the cinema theaters. It's so nice to have all the people there, and I'm so thankful for their film and to be a part of our festival. Such an important thing. Thank you for making it here.
Thank you so much, sir. It's all because of you. So I'll come to you, ma'am. My first question to you is, what inspired the story of the Mercury, and how did you envision bringing it to life on screen?
The inspiration came from my brother because it's about my brother. And I've been working on it for many years, 3 decades. And the inspiration was because we live in a world where there are stories to tell, and some of them are very important. And this one is about nature and nature conservation, but as well as the interior landscape of a person who lives alone on an island and faces his demons and his wonders. And we go through that journey with him.
That's amazing. So yes, ma'am, I must say I'm a big fan of psychological thrillers, survival movies, and I'm sure the Mercury is going to make a big impact on all the viewers who are going to watch it. Now, may I come to you, sir? Mr. Lloyd Ross, what specific techniques did you use to capture the essence of the story? Now, this is like a talent of yours, or maybe I can say your quality that you're going to share with us. I'll repeat the question for Mr. Lloyd Ross. What specific techniques did you use to capture the essence of the story?
Well, I used the camera, so, and drone and that kind of thing. But the interesting thing about this is because it was shot over so many years. Was in the beginning was a high 8, which he had himself, the main protagonist of the film, and then Joel's previous partner went there and filmed it on Betacam, and then later on, in the 2000s, I went and shot on the island on 4K. So that's how I was. Right, okay.
So I think we are going to see a lot of, animated things, a lot of visuals, which are going to surprise us, is it?
No animation.
Okay. Now, if you are showing it on Mercury, how are you depicting it?
On Mercury Island. It's an island. Yeah, so it's a Mercury Island, it's called, and it's very difficult to get there. And we got there and we filmed it in those different formats over the years, so over a 30-year period. And so yeah, it's a complex story, and yeah.
And what do you think, what impact will it happen on the people, on the viewers? How will it affect when you watch as a viewer? What do you think? What are you looking for it?
Hopefully it will make people think about the balance in nature and what happens when it goes out of balance and what can be done and what one person is capable of doing, because it returns a certain agency to humans to be able to do something about a big problem. So it's quite a dark film. It's not an easy listening film.
This is surely going to impress us a lot. When I'm talking to you, I can see how nicely it has been to be depicted, and we are glad that you're here. Sir, एक last question आपसे पूछूंगी. It's very important for me to ask as a person. So, in this generation where there are a lot of commercial films coming up and so on, how do you think such events and short films are entering our life? How do you think, how does it impact in a person's life when you look at a short film which is dedicated to the topic?
Thank you for asking this question, and I'm glad that we are having this 18th edition of MIFF. After India India's film The Elephant Whisperers won an Oscar recently, which was a documentary film, and it was a film on conservation. It was a film on environment, the kind of story which you are trying to say, and trying to raise the consciousness of people from the eyes of truth. So that's what this festival is about, celebrating the various documentaries. I'm sure after the explanation given by her, many of you would want to go and watch this film for yourself, how really the camera works and how really you capture such difficult stories. And so we are glad that such powerful narratives, such powerful stories from all across the world are there with us. In fact, this year we've been lucky, we've been really blessed that there are films from 59 countries and 61 languages, which is double the last edition which we had, so which speaks for itself. And just one more fact for all of you is that there was a study from all across the world which said all the formats the viewership has remained more or less the same or it has declined. But in the last year the people's viewership in documentary has increased from 14% to 18.5%. That shows that people are turning to this kind of a storytelling, and we're so happy that we are part of that platform, which provides filmmakers an opportunity to get together, cinephiles to see such documentaries from all across the world. And thanks for all the participants to be here and be a part of this festival.
That was really great. Thinking that you got to us, that short films are also becoming a huge part in our life. And after ma'am has said, first what happened when we hear the word that is Mercury, we thought that okay, there's something going to be space. But now it shows that Mercury is an island, right? How a single human can survive. We are going to learn so many things through that, and we are excited. We are going to view it. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am. It was lovely talking to you. All the best. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
We've come from South Africa and we have been welcomed, and we are so grateful for being able to show our film for the first time at a festival. And so thank you to the festival.
And we really love your city. Fantastic. And the people and the food. Really fantastic.
I think that deserve a big round of applause. So I request to all the people out here, come on guys, एक बार जोरदार तालियां तो बनती हैं. Such a lovely explanation has been done for the Mercury, and उससे ज़्यादा बोलना I don't think so it's gonna be fair because it's a suspense. So we would suggest you please do watch it, and you're gonna surprise. And ma'am already said it. So many surprises are coming. So do watch the Mercury. So now we are proceeding it for the.
Acha, along with the portrait director, Mr. Richie Mehta.
Now I know that Rishi, you wanted to ask so many questions to sir. So yes, all here. So I request you please, you can begin with the questions.
Okay, so good evening everyone. Good evening to the team, to the director, to the very main director. So yes, first of all, let me welcome you to the second day of MIFF. And how does it feel to be here, sir?
Feels great. I'm very honored to be here and to see this incredible setup.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, आपसे तो हम कल भी मिले थे. And how does it feel to be here? You come, you enter, and the venue is completely sparkle. How are you feeling, sir?
मेरी जो फीलिंग है, मुझे इतना वार्म और इतना पॉजिटिव और इतना क्रिएटिव और इतना सुंदर लग रहा है कि मैं आज भी, मुझे एक बार बताया गया, मैं तुरंत भाग के आया हूँ. और सब लोग इतने प्यारे हैं और इतने जेन्युइन, बहुत दिन के बाद मुझे इतना सुंदर माहौल मिला है. मेरी 2 लाइन की कविता है. मेरी एक बुक है अज्ञात से ज्ञात की, और अमेज़न पर, कि पगडंडियाँ खो चुकी है अब गाँव में, लोग जूते पहनने लगे हैं अब पाँव में. तो और मेरा सौभाग्य है कि मैं ऋषि जी के साथ इनके बगल में खड़ा हूँ. मेरा कोई भी हक और कोई अधिकार नहीं है. पता नहीं कैसे पंचायत मेरी इतनी, मतलब लोगों ने पसंद किया है, जिस वजह से मुझे लोग याद करते हैं, और इसके लिए मैं बहुत ही अनुग्रहित हूँ सबके लिए. खास करके इस प्रोग्राम में मुझे बुलाया गया, इसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद धन्यवाद धन्यवाद.
बहुत ही प्यारा स्पीच रहा आपकी तरफ से. And sir, so first question to you regarding the poacher series. When we were learning about it, we got to know about how the ivory poaching happens. Before directing or thinking of any movie, there's something that clicks your mind, and then you think of, okay, this is the subject you want to work on, this is the topic we're going to work on. So when was it and how did it click into your mind that, okay, I'm going to make a series on this and I'm going to reflect my thoughts on this? When was it and how was it?
It was 2015 when I met the wildlife crime fighting team. I ran the coast of India in Delhi, and I got to know them and understand the issues they're facing and obstacles in trying to basically save all species in India. And I was so moved by how selfless these people were. And there was no movie or series in the market like this. Nothing was fulfilling the function.
That's fantastic. It's a great moment. It's like a pioneer of the thought that you are presenting here. Now I'll come to the topic of the event that is. So there's so many festivals that happen every year, each year. How do you think this festival helps your movie to carry with the audience? How do you feel कि हाँ इधर मैं present करूँगा तो it will reach the right audience? How does it come to your mind? And what do you think of the festival for presenting your movie or whatever it is?
Listen, I love the festival process because festivals are there to curate good content because there's so much out there. So you need something. You need a programmer. You need a team to decide. हमने सब कुछ देख लिया, but this is worth showing. So they are curated. And then for me, it's just being present. I mean, our hard work is making it, and then standing back and letting it fly. But to be honest, institutions, organizations, festivals like this are crucial for me. Crucial. So I'm very, very grateful. Very grateful.
So yes, let me come to the last question without wasting your time. So what is the one message that you want to pass on to the audience who are viewing your series? What is one message that you want to sow in their mind?
I mean, the series is 8 episodes, so there's many, many, many messages. But one of the big ones is just a general awareness that we are not the only species on the planet. And we have to share this. And there are people who are fighting for this on our behalf, and we need to support them.
True. That's really a very thoughtful thing that we are not only the creator in the world. We have more species as well. We human, as an animal, as whatever the environment is here for us. Thank you so much, sir. Let me come to Mr. Pankaj Jha. Sir, आपके पास से एक ही पूछेंगे. You are one of the best directors in the industry. एक अपनी तरफ से एक मंत्र बता दीजिए कि कैसे आप अपने काम को आगे बढ़ाते हैं. One motivational speech that everybody wants to hear from you.
बहुत बड़ा सीक्रेट बता रहा हूँ मैं कि मैं ओशो को सुनता हूँ, ओशो को पढ़ता हूँ, और उनके जो भी ध्यान है, बहुत इंटेंस मेडिटेशन है, वो मैं करता हूँ. डायनामिक है, नो माइंड है, हु इज़ इन है, मिस्टिक रोज है. तो ये सब जब मैंने अपने ऊपर काम किया तो मुझे, जैसे मेरी अभी कविता आई है, मैं पेंटिंग बनाता हूँ. अभी जहांगीर में मेरा एग्जीबिशन होने वाला है मेरा. अभी पंचायत आई है, तो पंचायत में एक नए तरह का लोगों को एक मतलब एक्टिंग, अभिनय या पात्र को जीना जैसा जो होता है वो देखा गया है लोगों को. लोग बहुत प्रेम दे रहे हैं. एक बार ओशो से किसी ने पूछा था कि मैं बहुत अच्छा अभिनेता बनना चाहता हूँ, उसके लिए मैं क्या करूँ. ओशो ने कहा था कि 2 लाइन में, जो आज की तारीख में इंडस्ट्री में लोग उसका जिक्र करते हैं, उन्होंने 2 लाइन में कहा था जो पूरे वर्ल्ड का कोई भी एक्टिंग टीचर नहीं बता सकता है. उन्होंने कहा कि जीवन ऐसे जियो जैसे अभिनय कर रहे हो, और अभिनय ऐसे करो जैसे जीवन जी रहे हो. तो मैंने पंचायत में वो जो चरित्र है अपना चंद्रकिशोर सिंह का, उसको मैंने जिया है और वही लोगों को छुआ है. और जब छुआ है तो वो सब का प्रेम मुझे छू रहा है, कि मेरे लिए बहुत ही सुंदर है. थैंक यू.
बहुत ही बढ़िया लाइन आपने कही कि जीवन ऐसे जियो कि आप अभिनेता हैं. हाँ हाँ.
और अभिनय ऐसे करो जैसे जीवन जी रहे.
बहुत beautiful, very beautiful. To the upcoming actors, to the upcoming artists who are looking forward, should surely trust on this line for sure. Sir, आपसे एक आखिरी सवाल, Prithul sir. You must be seeing so many series, short films, and so on coming. What do you think? What are your thoughts on Poacher? What do you think? What clicks in your mind when you hear this, name or the topic?
Yeah, so let me just congratulate again Richie for making such a important film, important in the sense that it is inspired by real life events, and it has been made into such a film that anybody would like to watch it and get entertainment as well as the message embedded in it, which is so very important, which he put it in very few words, is that we are not the only species on this planet. So very important, which has been said by him. So I would really want that, you know, platforms like Amazon and Netflix and all the OTTs and the other producers should encourage this kind of content. Similar is the state of Panchayat. Nobody had thought that, you know, a simple story of the development which is happening in the villages would come out in such a beautiful way, in such an entertaining way. So I'm really happy that, you know, such a content is finding a lot of space in people's viewing habits. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, and thank you so much to everyone present over here. We can move ahead. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. It was lovely having you here at the day 2. And, sir, we are expecting you all the days over here because when you enter, it's the sparkle that comes in the room. Why don't you believe that, right, sir? Let's move on. Thank you so much. And with this, let's start with the picture.
Yeah, before that, let's have a click. So I request to all the guests out here, so much, guys.
Wait. Thank you.